In this video, I am explaining about what is tautology and what is contradiction, what is contingency, and what is equivalence of formulas. And the content of this lecture is tautology, contradiction, contingency, and equivalence of two formulas. And also, I am going to explain some examples related to these topics. So first, let's see what is tautology, what is contradiction, and what is contingency. And we already know that what is a statement. A statement is a some declarative statement which we can say whether it is true or false. So a statement formula which is regardless of the truth values of the statement, if its total truth value is true, then we call that compound statement as tautology. And what is contradiction means if any compound statement whose overall truth value is completely false. So this will be applied to all possible combinations of the truth values of the variables which contained in the compound statement. For every possibilities, so last if you get only the false values, then the whole complete statement is contradiction. So when the compound statement is contingency means if you construct the truth table for any compound statement and the last row means the truth values of the compound statement contain some true values, some false values, then the statement called that as contingency. Tautology means for all possible truth values the statement is always true. For all possible truth values the statement is completely false, then we call that as contradiction. If some truth values, some false values are there, we call that as contingency. So here I want to explain by using some examples. So prove that a statement P condition Q and biconditional of not Q condition not P is a tautology. So to prove this statement is tautology or contradiction or contingency, so two ways we can prove this. First one is by using truth table and second one is we can use the formulas to prove that a statement is tautology, contradiction or contingency. So till now we have not seen any formulas, that's why here I will explain by using truth tables. So first construct the truth table of the given statement. As the statement contains only two variables P and Q, so total 4 possibilities will come for P and Q. Those are true, 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 false, false, true and false, false. So first find out P condition Q. As I said, first you need to expand the truth table from the innermost brackets. So first find out P condition Q. Again in this bracket we have not P and not Q. So find out first not Q, not P, then apply the condition between not Q and not P. Last apply bicondition between P condition Q and not Q condition not P. So first P condition Q is when the P condition Q is false is if P true, then if P true and Q false, then it is false. P true, Q false, then it is false, otherwise it is true always. And not Q is completely the negation of Q. So whenever Q true, not Q becomes false, and whenever Q false, then not Q becomes true. And not P also same. Now apply the condition between not Q and not P, means these are true, false, then it is false, otherwise. So now apply bicondition between P condition Q and not Q condition not P. So if you remember the biconditional truth value, whenever the both variables are true or both variables are false, then it is true, otherwise it's completely false. So here if you take P condition Q, not Q condition not P values, here in first row both are true, so true. In second row both are false, so true. And in third row both are true, true, both. And in fourth row also both are true, true. So last if you observe the last column, So which is the truth value of the given statement? It always true. So if the given statement is always true for all the possibilities of the variables p and q, then we call that as tautology. So the given statement is tautology. So now show that the statement p and not p is contradiction. So here this statement contains only one variable, p variable. So only two possibilities are there for p, true or false. Not p is just the reverse of p, and apply the and between p and not p. So when and is true means if both values are true, then only true, otherwise false. Here p and not p has two different values. Again in second row also p and not p has two different truth values, so it is false. So in last row all are false. So that's why p and not p is contradiction. And coming to this statement, p condition q condition p and p. So construct the truth value. P condition q I already told you, and find out p and q. P and q, when it is true, if p q both true, then only true, otherwise false. Again apply the condition between third column and fourth column, then you will get like this. If you observe the last column here, some true values are there, some false values are there. So that's why the given statements is contingency. Last row, if all true, tautology. If all false, contradiction. If some true, some false means contingency. So that is about tautology, contradiction and contingency. And the next topic is equivalence of two formulas. So when we said that the two formulas are equal, so here we have some different methods are there to solve this. One is directly construct the truth table and find out both the formulas have the same truth values. Then we can say that the two formulas are equal. There is another method is also there, that is if A and B are two given formulas, then find out A biconditional B. If A biconditional B is a tautology, then we can say that two formulas are equal. So when A biconditional B becomes tautology means if A and B values are same, as simple as that, then only we get tautology. And equivalence symbol is this one, equal to start and ended by arrow marks. So let's see some example. Prove that P or Q is equal to negation of not P and not Q. So construct the truth table for P or Q and also for negation of not P and not Q. So first find out P or Q. P or Q. Here R means, so whenever the PQ false, then only it false, remaining all condition it is true. So to find out the truth values of negation of not P and Q, first we need not P, not Q. So find out first not P and not P, then apply and between not P and not Q. And now again negation of this whole statement is false becomes true, false becomes true, false becomes true and true becomes false. If you observe P or Q column and negation of not P and not Q column, so first here and here, here and here, so and last one is false and false. So both columns are same truth values. If both columns have the same truth values and if you apply the bicondition between these two statements, then definitely you will get all truth values. So that's why P or Q is equal to negation of not P and not Q. And let's see one more example. P condition Q is equal to not P or Q. So find out the truth table. So first find out P condition Q value. And in second formula we have not P. So first find out not P and apply or between not P and Q. and not P and Q means where in second row we have both false, so it is false, otherwise it is true. So now check P condition Q, not P or Q. So first row both true, second row both false, third row both true, and fourth row both trues. So P condition Q is equivalent to not P or Q. So here in this lecture I'll explain how to find out the equivalence of two formulas by using truth table. So in my next lecture you will see how to find out the equivalence of two formulas by using equivalence formulas. So here there we won't find construct the truth table directly. By using the formulas also you can check the equivalence of two formulas. Thank you.